Welcome back to my channel. I am Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and I am finally finished my Vintage Circus Lapbook. So I'm going to try and video this for you today. It's a little difficult because it is so big, but this is the cover of it. It is 8.5 by 9. I'm just going to tilt you down here a little bit. You can see there's your sides there. This is going to open up really big. So I'm just going to flip it open here, and then what I'll do is I'll put it back in the camera mount. We'll go over each section individually. So when you open it up, you get right into the journal sections here. There's 3 journal sections in the middle. This opens up on the far side here. Opens up again. One more side here. In this side here, you have got a pocket here with some ephemera tags inside. Now, I'm not going to pull every single thing out because whoever purchases this, I do want them to find some of this stuff on their own. But I am going to do a little bit here of just showing you how everything is. So this flips up, and you can see there's 2 spots there. There's flips right here, and there's pockets on the back and in the front of both of these. So there's lots of ephemera in there. And then you've got a nice spot here for doing your journaling or pictures or whatever. This opens up this way, and you've got a policy closure here with some ephemera inside it as well. Then you have got the section that we created with the card holders. So you've got your journaling card or ephemera holders here. There's a bunch of those in here, and they're all placed in here. So there's 2 sections of these. So you can see you could get a lot of ephemera in here, make your own and put in there and add to these as well. So those are stitched in there. I'm just going to flip the journals back over that way. Then you get to this section here, which has got your clear pocket here, which has got some clown paper dolls and some large tags in there. This is the waterfall one that we created on camera here. Flip up. As you can see, it's perfect. Flip it all up like this. And then it opens up here. You've got, a blank spot with the clown and some sequins. This side here, switch hands here. Got a pull out here with some journaling cards. You can see there's a couple journaling cards. And then you've got the double pocket here, which I showed how to create this on one of my videos. And you've got lots of ephemera loaded in these pockets. So now this closes back this way. This is actually the 3rd time I videoed this because I kept forgetting where all the flips and flaps are. So this time I'm going to remember. This now flips open this way. And then these flip over this way. So this is that video I did. I did the video of how to creative way to mat larger pictures. And inside here, you've got little tabs here. And there's, oops, where did I put that one? Oh, it's missing on that side. There's cards, journaling cards, in each of these little pullouts here. Hard to do it with one hand, but they are there. Here we go. Now you can see. Okay. So, and then this just flips back up like this, folds back over, but then, this was the other part I kept forgetting to film, it opens up again this way. So you've got the juggler in here, and you've got a pocket, a large pocket with a bunch more journaling cards, ephemera here, paper doll, clown dolls, and then it flips all back to the way it was originally. So you've got 3 journals here. The first journal, I'm just going to do a quick flip through of them. So you got a pocket with some ephemera, some trims. I'm just doing a quick flip through here because there is a lot in this book. So hopefully whoever purchases this will enjoy all the hidden treasures. This is one of those book pages from there that folds all the way out. You got the beautiful picture of the characters from that Cirque du Soleil. Got a belly band here with more journaling stuff in there. switch hands again. Some of the characters from the Cirque du Soleil book. And I've got pages in all different sides. Here's another one of those fold-outs of another one of the acrobats. I'm just doing a quick flip through here. You got lots of different pages. There's a pocket, stacked envelope pocket here with some journaling spots. This is a large envelope inside there. It's got one of the fold-outs from the magazine and from the book in there. It's all clipped on. You've got an envelope here, folds open, and there's lots of ephemera inside that one. We're on to the second journal. We got another one of those fold-outs here. More of the acrobats. Lots of tabs on these. Plenty of spaces to put things. You've got another pocket here with some tickets and some journaling tags. Got a flip up, hidden journaling spots. Some more ephemera clowns on here. I kind of left the journals, oops, a couple of pages there. Well, sorry. Well, kind of left the journal pretty blank so that you could add your own stuff to them. As you can see, there is lots of pages in these. Another one of those book fold-outs. Got one of the acrobats. This is the middle of the signature here. Oh, hard to fold this with one hand. Did I get it? Did I get it? There we go. I got it. And then we're on to more of the journal here. I'm just going to flip this open. We will continue, continue on to the end of this journal, and then for the third one we will flip over and the other side first. We've got another envelope here with some ephemera inside, paper clipped on top here, and we're going to go through the third journal, but first we got to fold this flap out so it folds out. And right here you've got pockets with ephemera in them. And these are the pockets that we made for the shaker tags there. Slide in there. So you've got another one up here with more ephemera and shaker tags. Then you've got these tag flip outs here. So each tag flip out's got a pocket on either side full of ephemera on these. As you can see, there's tons of ephemera in here. And then you've got the last journal here. I'm just going to do another quick flip through. Got another flip out here. Another one of the acrobats. Got another policy closure envelope. It's got some more ephemera inside. Some more clowns and ticket stubs. Another pocket here with a bunch of tags, ticket stubs on there. Another character from the books, and one more flip out of one of the acrobats there. And you can see there's plenty of space still, and we're still going here. Got another flip out. Goodness, I never really appreciated my camera mount before. When you've got to do this all by one hand, this is a little more difficult. So you got another one of those stacked cards here with a pocket on the side. So there's more journaling cards. A couple more pages here. And then you're at the back here, you've got one of the large pictures of the contortion girls. It's the circus girls with some tickets and everything. And then that's the end. I'm not going to attempt folding it all back up with one hand because that was too difficult for me. So please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you will find out what I'm doing when I'm doing it. This will be listed on my Etsy store later this week. So if you're looking to purchase this, it will be on my store there. And as usual, I will have the listings of all the kits that I used to create this. Those will be listed in the description below. And hopefully I will see you guys again soon. Have a great day.